Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be looking at two different methods to splice wiring. The first method we're going to be looking at is your traditional wire nut, and the second one is going to be a wago connector. And so for the first one, for the wire nut, you're going to strip your wire, right? And then you're going to grab them here. All right, twist them together. To make a tight connection. Put your wire nut on. And twist it up. And then that makes a nice solid connection. Then for your wago connector, you're going to strip your wire. You're going to pop these little tabs up here. You're going to insert the wire and then close the tab, and it tightens down on there. Both two good methods in my opinion. They both have scenarios where one would be better than the other. Let me know in the comments which one you like better, and if there's one that you wouldn't use in a certain scenario or vice versa.